Is the Coach Tabby Bag a timeless wardrobe staple or just another overhyped accessory? I've been using it for a while, and here's my honest take. First off, the design is undeniably chic. The structured silhouette, signature C hardware, and versatile strap options make it suitable for both casual outings and formal events. The leather feels luxurious, and the craftsmanship is evident in the stitching and overall construction. Many users appreciate its durability and the way it maintains its shape over time. However, it's not without drawbacks. Some users have reported that the bag can be a bit stiff initially, requiring a break-in period. Additionally, while the interior compartments are helpful for organization, they can limit the overall storage capacity. The price point is also on the higher side, which might be a consideration for budget-conscious shoppers. Overall, if you're seeking a stylish and well-crafted bag that elevates your outfit, the Coach Tabby delivers. But if you prioritize spaciousness and immediate comfort, you might want to explore other options. Want more honest fashion reviews? Hit like and follow for the next one.